We are just looking for to do all these things that are not necessary. And notice I did say we. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I wanted to come to you and talk to you today about what happened to my previous hairstyle where I had the Wrap-A-Locs and the braids in the back of my hair. Before we start talking about that though, I want to say thank you to my subscribers for your support of this channel. Thank you for all that you're doing to ensure the success of this channel. And thank you for being a part of the Gene G family. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, come on, join the family. This is an open invitation for you to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. I'm going to tell you what happened. I got in bed last night with my head covering on. And as the night went by, I realized that I felt tension on my hair. And I laid there for hours. I did go to sleep. But then eventually I got up, I sat up on the side of the bed, and this is what happened. I took that top braid out. It was just too tight for me to lay down. And I could feel the tension on my hair, on my scalp. And I just didn't like it. And I thought about what we often say when we get Sisterlocks or Microlocks or traditional locks, that we are striving for hair freedom. Yeah, that's what we're striving for. And here I am using Wrap-A-Locs and braids and doing all kinds of things to my hair when I don't even need to. That style was cute for yesterday, but today I don't know what I'm going to do with this style, with these Wrap-A-Locs in my hair. I'm taking them out just like I took out that braid. I don't know if I'm just going to let the curls, if there are curls, just hang down. We shall see. Yeah. is totally different. It is not, there's not a lot of tension on the back of my hair. And yes, I did style my hair. And my question still is, do we really want hair freedom? Because as soon as we get Sisterlocks and Microlocs, traditional locks, we're looking for styles that we can use. We're looking for products that we can put on our hair. We are just looking to do all these things that are not necessary. And notice, I did say we. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. But I especially love God because he's been so good to me. His mercies are new every morning. He said he'd never leave me or forsake me. And today I'm standing on his word that he'll be with me and he'll never leave me. Have a great day. And now my 360.